Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our challenge for the month of March is coming to us by Becky and Kathy. All right, what is the challenge? The challenge is to have a family member, a spouse, your children, your grandchildren, your friends, to pick out scrappy supplies for you to use in the month of March. You can be very daring and let them select all your papers and select all your embellishments. And if you like to use sketches, have them select your sketches. Or if you're not that daring, maybe you want to pre-select your papers and they select the embellishments, or vice versa. We are now, or I am now, creating layout number 3 using page kit number 3 put together by Kathy, Becky, and my husband. All right, so let's get started. I am documenting my cute little summer cup that I use when I am up in the mountains with my adult beverage inside. I just love this cup, so it's time to document it before I wear it out. I have a dolly here that's in my page kit. I have this pink polka dot tag. The opposite side is a wood grain. You are my happy place. I could use either side. Then we have some more tags. My husband thought I could use this for layering behind my photograph. That was his idea. We have this chipboard tag with white and pink polka dots and a little bit of gold glitter. We have this chipboard pink glitter frame. We have this dark teal, I would call it, and light teal, butterflies, birds, and I call it teardrops, and flowers. And they're puffy. And oh, I have pink too. So here is some more. We have a few word phrases that I can select from. I don't think I can get all these on this layout. We have laugh, the best, life is beautiful. We have a pink arrow with gold embroidery floss stitched on it. Oh, I have this little thing that says love. Didn't notice that before. Guess it was stuck there. We have this fabric tassel ribbon right there. Oh, and we have another banner with the gold foil inlay, and it says be kind. We have 2 brads. We have 4 wood veneer hearts, a paper clip. We have, can you see that? Let me put it over there. I don't know if you can see that, but these are hearts in a pink and a purplish pink. 3. My papers for my little page kit put together by my husband. Crepe paper, kiss kiss. He selected this side. I'll show you the opposite side there. I do agree. I like this side. He chose this paper, Allison Craft Capture Life, and it's from 2014. Love this paper here. And this is the opposite side. Again, I agree with him. I like that side to use. I'll use that side. And then we have this gorgeous paper here. And this is Paige Evans' Go the Scenic Route. Now I could fussy cut some of these flowers. I may do that, but he did choose it for this side if I wanted to like triple matte my foundation layer or matte my photograph. And I may use both sides for that purpose. All right, now I am going to put you on fast forward and you are going to watch me create my layout.
As you can see off camera, I created my foundation layer. I took those pattern papers and cut some wonky long 12-inch strips. I tucked in that tassel ribbon under those pattern strips. Now I am going to fussy cut the flowers from the Paige Evans Go the Scenic route. I do not make you watch the entire process. I just want you to see that I did fussy cut these flowers out. Now you're going to see all the flowers that I fussy cut. I'm going to slide those over to the right. I'm going to bring over my photograph. I also matted that photograph off camera using that heart pattern paper. Then I'm going to bring over the dolly and I'm going to semi-cut that in half and layer that under my photograph. And then as I was looking at this layout at this point, I decided I wanted to turn the layout and see how I felt about it looking like this, even though my hearts are going in the wrong direction. But I decide I can live with that because I like it in this format. As you can tell, I took that glitter chipboard frame and tucked it under my photograph. Now I'm trying to determine my title. I have that die cut piece that says life is beautiful and the puffy word that says the best. Since I'm unsure about my title, I move on to creating my cluster in the upper right hand corner. So I have those two banners and then I have the hexagon sticker, and I decide that I'm going to layer them up in the upper right hand corner of the photograph and over that glitter chipboard frame. Next, I move on to the lower left hand corner of the photograph to create my flower embellishment cluster of those flowers that I fussy cut. Now I'm happy with my cluster in the upper right hand corner and the lower left. Now it's time to come back to my title. I decide that I am going to use this little tiny chipboard piece that says this place and the puffy words that says the best. When I'm finished with my title area, I'm going to bring that die cut arrow with the gold embroidery thread on it that you can see in the lower left hand corner and place that by my title. Next, I'm going to add a few of those tiny glittery puffy flowers and butterflies to the layout. I add a strip of paper underneath my title because I feel like it's just floating in the air. I add the paper clip to the left of my layout next to that flower cluster. Now, why I am just a little bit ahead of myself, I want to remind you to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel and our Facebook group site. All the links will be listed below in the description box. Also, I added two wood veneer hearts inside my frame. In the end, I inked those up using Close to My Heart raspberry ink. Then I use my little round sponge dauber and the black ink from Close to My Heart, and I ink the entire edge of my layout. It just softens the edge and it just keeps your eye centered to my photograph and all my embellishments. And then my final touch, of course, is to add some shimmer drops on my layout or splatters, and I use the raspberry shimmer pen from Close to My Heart and the clear shimmer pen from Close to My Heart. All right, my layout is complete. Once again, I will point everything out. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring people that you and I don't know. And most of all, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And the close-ups are coming to you right now. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.